Hi everyone, welcome again. So now we'll start our SketchUp journey here. There's a model in front of you right now. It's a kids playground kind of a, you can say a slide kind of a thing. It is having a stair on one side and it is having a slide onto the other. It is having some design at the background. It is having some kind of a roof and like that. What we are going to do, we are going to start learning the core concepts of SketchUp by making a replica of this model. Okay, we'll learn many things in here. This is not going to be an advanced, you can say, concepts, but these are the core concepts, basic concepts. We will move on to the high level thing like the plane surfaces and the references later on. But before that, we need to learn the basics, that what are the move commands, what is the push and pull command, how we can draw the things in a very predefined manner, like with a specific distance. We are going to learn through it. So what we are going to do, we are going to make this replica, and through which we are going to acquire the basic, you can say, the concept of this SketchUp. So let's start. I'm going to click on file and click on new. If you want this model, I will link the description. I will put the link in the description. From there, you can easily download. Okay. So with shift middle mouse, we can pan around. With middle mouse, we can rotate around. With mouse wheel, you can zoom in and zoom out. That I have already told you. Now let's start making it. Let's first start make that roof thing, that is the upper sloped roof. So for that, we need a box. So go into this large toolbar. You can get it from here, that is view toolbar, and just check this box large tool set. You can get it from there, as I have already told you. So let's select this box thing. Click on this first origin, and now the command is on. Now the command is on. What you have to do, you just have to press 4 feet, comma 4 feet. Okay. Note the symbol of comma that is I am putting in the dimension box. Dimension box is at the right hand side bottom corner. Okay. The moment you are going to write 4 comma 4 by 4, or you can say 4 comma 4, it is going to assume that this box is going to be of 4 by 4 feet. Okay. And just press enter. The moment you're going to press enter, the box is going to get made up. Okay. It is according to the scales, or you can say the template that you have taken out. Now, let's pull it up. Let's make a box out of it. It is right now 2D. We need to make a box out of it, and let the height of the box be 4 inches. So you go into this option, that is pull and push option. Just hover over it, and now click, left click once, and move your mouse up or down. So you can go like that, up or down. We need to go up, and we want 4 inches. So just type on keyboard 4 inches. Okay, you can again see it in your distance box, that is onto again the right bottom, that is it is 4 inches. Just press enter. It is going to fix itself at 4 inches. Now we need to make a slope out of it. How we can make a slope out of it? So for that, we need a kind of a, you can say, a line segment between it here that we can pull out. Okay, that we can pull out so that it will look like slope. So go on to this pencil tool here and try to find out the midpoint. The midpoint gets snapped automatically. The midpoint looks like this blue circle, and a dynamic, you can say, a label is there that is showing it as a midpoint. So just click one click here and the other click at the other end. So it is going to divide it like this. Now what you can do, you can go into the select object and you can just select this line segment. Now what you can do, you can move it. So there is a move tool onto this toolbar. Just click on it and try to grab it from the midpoint, and with left click, try to grab it upward. Okay. Make sure that you are going onto this blue axis. Okay. Don't go here and there. Just keep your mouse a bit straight and move it up. Okay. Now we want it at 12 inches. So just release the click, put 12 inches on your distance box and press enter. It is going to fix that 12 inches. You can input anything else if you want. If you want to make it more slopey, you can go for those 16 inches or 18 inches. So this is how this is going to be done. Now, we don't want it onto the ground. We want it a bit up. But before doing that, I want to let you know that this is not an perfect total object right now. This object is made up of many other things. So what you can do, you can go into the select object. Now, there is a selection criteria here that I need to focus on, that if you're going to click on this particular thing, this is going to select this particular slope, or you can say this particular plane. If I'm going to double click here, this is going to select all the edges with this surface. But if I'm going to click 3 times continuously, like 1, 2, 3, this is going to select all of the object. And this is quite important while you are going to do the modeling, Okay, so when I need to manipulate only this particular thing or this only particular face, I'm going to double click it. But when I need the whole model to be somewhere around, or we want to make it move it somewhere, so we can just click 3 times. So the moment you are going to click 3 times, it is going to be like that. Now I want to make it a group. So I'm going to right click here, and there is going to be an option make group. So I'm going to click make group. So it is now one group. We can move it in a one go. Okay. Try to make group things when you are finalized about that particular object, that now everything is done, but I don't want any change. There are ways in which you can change the groups or the components, but I will suggest you that for the group purpose, just finalize it and then make it a group so that you can move it around. Okay. For the component thing, I will let you know. So now we need this roof a bit up from the ground. So how we can do that particular thing? So there's an again, we'll go to the move option. We can click anywhere. Okay, just click here and try to move it upward. Now make sure the cursor is on the blue line. It is not going here and there, just moving up. And let's suppose we need it 8 feet above. So I'm going to write 8 feet, enter. So it is going to be at 8 feet above. Okay. So this is how a simple thing is, how you can make a box, you can cut the line segments, and you can move it. Okay. So I hope this short tutorial was very helpful to you. Let's meet in the next video.